Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an exciting placement offer opportunity from Siemens. Siemens is hiring freshers through a fresher hiring challenge, and that challenge is going to be on Hacker Earth platform, and it's going to be complete online. And yeah, you'll be having an algorithm challenge, and the role you'll be taken is associate engineer, and level is 12, 0 years plus experience. So even if you're not having any experience, and you're a 1 year experienced or 2 years experienced, you can go with this. And the challenge will open at June 25th at 12:30 p.m. June 25th, 12:30 p.m. in the sense it has already started, and it will be closing at July 4th, 6:25 p.m. So anywhere around that you can take the exam, and the duration is going to be for 3 hours. And what all you'll have in this test also I'll be telling you. Siemens is hiring to support game changers and go-getters to turn visions. Okay, so all that. And years of experience, freshers of batch 2019 and 2020 can participate in this. So 2021 freshers cannot participate in this. 2019 and 2020 batch can participate. And educational eligibility, computer science or electrical, electronics and communication or instrumentation engineering. And skills, your relevant skills should be C, C++, DBMS and OOPS. Okay, done. And how the challenge is going to be, you're going to have 10 MCQs, and you're going to have 2 programming questions for 3 hours. 10 MCQs and 2 programming questions. Then just assume the complexity of code. So the code may be very complicated or it may be easy, we cannot predict, but as of my guess, it may be complicated, it may be a hard one, it may be a difficult challenge, because they are giving 3 hours of time just to solve 10 MCQs and 2 coding questions, right? So this is the video which will give you about all the overview about the company. So you can click on that. I'll be giving you the link in the description. You can just click on that and apply. When you go to the apply page, you'll find this link. And yeah, so compensation, they are saying best in industry, but when I referred to Google, it was like around 6.8 LPA, but I'm not sure that it would be 6.8, or it may be less than that, and it may be more than that and all. So you have to, if you're interested, you can apply for that. And job location is Bangalore, it's not Hyderabad, it's Bangalore in Karnataka, and they have 80 openings. So let's see the job profile. The work involves system testing of PCS 7, so this role is related to testing, and if you are interested in testing, you can join this, you can apply for this. And responsible for executing the test cases, performs test automation. So you can, if you read this, you can understand all these things. Desired qualification and experience, again they have given, this is already given. And you should have excellent verbal and written communication skills. A team player, that means you must be willing to work in a team, and you should be a good team player. And logical things and programming skills, that are such as C#. So project, everything is given about the company also. You can click over this and you can refer to the company. It has started somewhere around 1867 is what they have given, but it may not be a software company then. So and yeah, guidelines. Ensure that you're attempting the test using the correct email ID. Correct email ID in the sense, whichever email ID you're using to register this, you attempt the test also with the same email ID. You must click the submit button after you answer each question. If you don't click on the submit button, your answer will not be recorded. If you need assistance during the test, click on the question mark in the lower right corner, so that you can get any help. Once the test has started, the timer cannot be paused, so that you make sure that you have 3 hours of complete time. And do not close the browser window or tab of the test interface before you submit your final answers. Okay, all those and also make sure that your system check you should do by yourself, right? So make sure that it meets Hacker Earth's compatibility. So if you have already written any exam on Hacker Earth platform from your system, then that's okay. If not, just check once. And it's recommended that you attend a test in incognito or private window, so that any extensions installed do not interfere with the test environment. So they have given you a suggestion. If you want, you can take it. And all the other windows and tabs should be closed, which is common for all the exams. Can I participate in a sample challenge? Yes, we recommend that you participate in a sample challenge. So they'll be giving you a sample challenge, so that it will be you can get aware of it. And where will the challenge takes place? That it is going to be complete online. Will I receive reminder notification before the test? Yes, you will receive. And how do I participate? You have to register, then you have to get your time and just click on participate. Can we take up challenges from mobile? Actually, they don't support mobile, only desktop or laptop you have to go. What type of questions will I solve? So you'll have programming problems, like you have to have two codes. So you can submit multiple times, but still whatever is the best among all, they'll be taking that automatically. And MCQs also, questions with multiple choices will be provided. You have to choose one answer. And subjective problems, yeah, in MCQs only you may get some text box kind of questions. And are programming restricted to specific language? The language that you can write code will be mentioned in the challenge details if applicable. Okay. And what case, computer internet connection, IDE, so everything they have given you here. You can just refer to them, and you can if you're willing to work, if you're willing to apply, you can apply for that, because this is a very good company. And but still it is not for 2021 batch, it's only for 2019 batch. So all you can read. So somebody has asked about plagiarism also, and everything. So all the questions are here. I think if you read these questions, so different kinds of errors you may get, everything they have mentioned here. So really a very good description, I can say. So you can just refer this. I'll give you this in the description box, so that you can refer all of this and you can apply if you are interested. And thanks for watching the video. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another topic. Thank you.